Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hopefully you're staying warm on this bitterly cold morning, but out there, what's more important is the snow that we got overnight last night. In fact, Rockford observing 3 inches of snow from last night's storm system, but it just made for slick conditions and snow-covered roads as we got out the door this morning. In fact, that winter weather advisory still in effect up until 9 o'clock for the counties here that you see highlighted in purple. That's because even though we're done with the snow, we are dealing with not only slick and snow-covered roads, but also the blowing snow thanks to this morning's lingering breeze. But let's take a live look outside this morning on our SkyTrack camera over by the Rochelle Airport. You can see that those clouds also were pretty quick to leave the area. We have plenty of sunshine for the start of our Tuesday, but it's these winds that are going to be causing issues, not only for the road conditions, but also how it feels out there. You can see winds out of the northwest and also the north at 5 to 15 miles per hour, and that is going to cause blowing snow, especially on east and west roadways in open areas. So keep an eye out for that if you're traveling this morning. And then also we have slick and snow-covered roads out there, especially the ones that were untreated or are still yet to be treated. We still have plows out there getting those roads in tip-top shape as we get closer towards mid-morning, but just make sure to take extra caution this morning. And like I said, it's going to be bitterly cold out there thanks to these wind chills down between -5 to -15 degrees. Now, thankfully, though, we're not under a wind chill advisory like Monday morning, and our wind chills aren't down to -30, but still I would make sure to take caution with the cold before heading out the door. Now, as you can see on satellite and radar, we are pretty quiet. Dry air coming in behind that low pressure system has quickly pushed the cloud cover and the snow chances out of the state line. Right now, we do still have lake effect snow bringing snow to portions of Milwaukee all the way down towards the Chicago metro. Now, that's going to stay to the east. We are going to stay pretty dry today as this high pressure system that is anchored to our northwest, it's going to continue to filter in some dry air from the northwest. Now today, though, temperatures are going to stay relatively below average in the teens, but we're getting rid of those single-digit highs that we had the past couple of days. Now let's take a look at that using FUTURECAST. As we head into this afternoon, we are going to hold on to a mix of clouds and sunshine, temperatures in the teens, but keep those extra layers with you if you're going to be out and about later on today, because those wind chills are only going to be climbing into the single digits. So still feeling bitterly cold out there, but thankfully we're getting rid of those single digit highs. As we get into tonight, we're going to see that high pressure move overhead, and that's going to make for not only a dry start to our Wednesday, but a frigidly cold one. Temperatures back down below zero. Make sure to grab those extra layers on the way out tomorrow morning. Now, clouds are going to be quickly increasing from the southwest ahead of a system that's going to be tracking to our south. It could bring a couple of flurries, light snow showers during Wednesday afternoon, but those chances quickly leave as we go into tomorrow night, staying pretty cloudy into Thursday. Actually, Thursday features highs in the low 20s, which will be the warmest we've been since February 4th. Now, temperatures going into the weekend, they're still going to be 15 to 20 degrees below average, but take a look at what happens as we get into the start of next week. Warmer air gets pulled into the state line, and we're going to be seeing those highs only about 5 to 10 degrees below average. And if you take a look at the next 8 to 14 days, the Climate Prediction Center keeping us pretty warm into next week and into next weekend. Now, taking a look at the 7-day forecast, keeping a slight chance for a couple of snow showers going into Wednesday and Thursday, but warmer temperatures as we head into next week. Back to you.